Camau Sylfaen. Uned 29. Fideo 2. Fersiwn y de. Adolygu, benywaidd a gwrwaidd. Yn y fideo hwn, dyn ni'n mynd i ddysgu am drefnolion. In this video, we are going to learn about ordinal numbers. Enghraifft. Cyntaf. First. Second. Ail. Trydydd. Third. Pedwerydd. Fourth. Iawn, bant â ni. Cyntaf, meaning first, comes after the noun and takes a treiglad meddal if it follows a feminine noun. Dwedwch ar fy ôl i. Pwy oedd y bachgen cyntaf? Who was the first boy? Pwy oedd y ferch gyntaf? Who was the first girl? Cofiwch, feminine singular nouns take a treiglad meddal after y. Enghraifft, y ferch. Pwy oedd y ferch gyntaf? Apart from cyntaf, all other ordinals come in front of the noun. Ail, meaning second, causes a treiglad meddal in masculine and feminine nouns that follow it. Gwrandewch ac ailadroddwch. Pwy oedd yr ail fachgen? Who was the second boy? Pwy oedd yr ail ferch? Who was the second girl? Other ordinals that come in front of a masculine noun do not cause a mutation. However, ordinals in front of feminine nouns cause a treiglad meddal. Enghraifft. Pwy oedd y trydydd bachgen? Who was the third boy? Pwy oedd y drydedd ferch? Who was the third girl? Sylwch chi, did you notice that y trydydd changes to y drydedd before a feminine noun? Dyma fwy o enghreifftiau. Here are more examples. Tom oedd y trydydd un yn y ras. Tom was the third one in the race. Sarah oedd y drydedd un yn y ras. Sarah was the third one in the race. Cofiwch hefyd, remember also, that the ordinal fourth has a masculine and feminine forms yn Gymraeg. Enghraifft, pwy oedd y pedwerydd bachgen? Who was the fourth boy? Pwy oedd y bedwaredd ferch? Who was the fourth girl? Nawr, i orffen, hwn a hon, a hwnna a honna. To finish, we are going to look at hwn and hon, both meaning this, and hwnna and honna, both meaning that. Hwn and hwnna are used with masculine nouns, and hon and honna are used with feminine nouns. Gadewch i ni ymarfer rhai enghreifftiau. Let's practice some examples. Beth ydy hwn? What is this? Sgwâr ydy hwn. This is a square. We know that sgwâr is a masculine noun. If we wanted to ask a question about something or someone feminine, however, we would say, Pwy ydy hon? Who is this? Lily ydy hon. This is Lily. To ask, what is that, about something masculine, we say, Beth ydy hwnna? And to answer, Ci ydy hwnna? That is a dog. And to ask, who is that, about someone feminine, we say, Pwy ydy honna? Alice ydy honna? That is Alice. Bendigedig. Nawr, cwblhewch y gweithgareddau yn yr uned. A chofiwch, dych chi'n gallu gwylio'r fideo hwn eto I adolygu. Now, complete the activities in the unit. And remember, you can watch this video again to revise if you need to. Pob lwc!